I'm Tay, and this is a quick review of Alex Louis Armstrong Nendoroid from Full Metal Alchemist manga and anime. As you can see, the articulation is pretty limited, there is only one faceplate and almost nothing moves. You could say that this is a big drawback, and you would be right, but in fact Major Armstrong is not from a Nendoroid line but from Nendoroid More line, and that's a big difference. He doesn't come as a Nendoroid figure, it's just a glorified complete statue, in a chibi form. But anyway, I appreciate the sculpt, I appreciate the love for the character, and I really like him. But I found one real drawback to this Nendoroid. Major Armstrong doesn't have a stand, so there is no arm here. So in fact, Major stands on its own thanks to this peg. And to be honest, it's really bad. I have at least one idea for the photo, and now instead of making more props for the photo, I will be thinking how to hide this peg, because I don't want to remove it so that I would ruin the figure, nobody would want that, but I'm sure I will find a way. And talking about this Nendoroid, you may ask me. He was released in September by Good Smile Company for everybody, and you could get it even before it, in July or August. Why would you review it only now? And to answer it, I will tell you a little story. So when Major Armstrong was announced, he was announced as an exclusive figure for conventions, and also you could pre-order it on Good Smile shop. And when I saw him, I decided that I need him as soon as possible. So I asked on Instagram if anybody could help me. And surprisingly, two friends of mine decided to help me. One of them, Lina, was going to Anime Expo in Paris, and she agreed to buy me one and send him to me, and I was really thankful. And everything went really smooth. Anime Expo came and went. She managed to grab one for me, she managed to send it, and that was it. Yeah. The post, the French post, lost it. We were waiting for an answer for more than a month, and to no result. To be honest, I pretty much gave up on getting Armstrong, because I have a lot of pre-orders and it's not my priority. But about a month ago, Lina wrote me that she managed to grab it from someone from Amsterdam, and in a day she sent it to me. And I can't find words to say how thankful and how grateful I am. I don't like to bother people, and I repeated many times that she doesn't have to do more than she did. But anyway, she managed to find one, and in 3 weeks he came here. For the package to come from France to Ukraine would be a lot, because at first Major Armstrong visited Brazil. Yeah, I still find it funny. So, just to summarize, a Japanese company manufactures figures like this for them to end up at some convention in Europe, I believe, I assume, then go to Amsterdam in the Netherlands, from there go to France, from France fly to Brazil, and in the end come here in Ukraine. I find it beautiful. I will say it again, thank you Lina, I'm really grateful for what you did. I never expected for anyone to agree to help me with this, and I wish anybody who watches me or anybody in the world would have a friend like you. And I must emphasize that you must go see her photos. Lina is not just a great friend, but also a great Nendoroid photographer and Nendoroid outfit maker. So please visit her on Instagram, Yoi Forever, and Lina's Corner. You will be amazed how good she is, and I'm always amazed at her love for Yuri on Ice. So in the end, I got the figure that I wanted as soon as possible, not as soon as I wanted. But there is a great story to tell, and a figure with a story is much better than just a figure. And now it's time for the third part, the behind the scenes of the photoshoot with this one. It's the Thursday I'm posting this video. It's 1:30 AM. I have yet to edit this video, to go to work, and maybe sleep, I believe. So let's be quick. One thing that you should know, don't ever overestimate yourself. I made this gym equipment just now, in a few hours. It looks really bad, I don't like it. You can't really say what it is on the photo, but anyway, I don't really have time to try something else, so we'll go with it. The funniest thing is that I tried to use the Karasuno gym as the other wall, but in fact it wasn't necessary because the photo doesn't have the second wall, it needs only one wall. Right now I'm really sleepy, I need to rest, and of course I need sunlight for a better photography. And good morning. As you can see, it's bright outside already. What I may say, I don't like winter because sun rises pretty late and getting up too early won't make a difference. For now, the photo looks like this. To be honest, I'm not happy with it, but it doesn't look so bad. Maybe I'll spend some time trying some new angles and then I'll have a number of photos to choose from. This is how I hide leg peg of Armstrong. It's just this sticky thing that I use for everything, and two dumbbells between Major and the camera. It doesn't look so bad. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. My name is Tay, it's been Taste and Figures, and bye!